Hi, I'm Mark Thomas from TradeOnTrack.com. Today I'm excited to quickly show you through a new feature that we've got built into the Trade on Track application, and it's called a Trade Type Analysis Dashboard. What this dashboard allows you to do is to analyse the trade types, the different trade types that you use in your Forex trading. These trade types you might call different trading systems or different trading strategies. The new dashboard allows you to look at your trade types in a consolidated fashion across multiple trading accounts, and also to separate each of your trading accounts. So you can track and analyse a demo account, a live account, or multiple demo and live accounts. This feature is available right now to ToT-Pro members. And one other thing I'll show you is the ability to publish your dashboard so that you can make your dashboard available to the general public. So let's get straight into it. Here's the dashboard here. So our regular dashboard is on this first tab. This new trade types dashboard has been added. We have the ability to show an analysis over the last 2 weeks of trades, over the last 6 weeks, and over the last 6 months. We also have the ability to show our profit or loss figures by dollar amount or currency value, by pip lots, which is the number of pips times the number of lots that you've traded, by straight pips, or by percentage return on equity, which is basically a return type figure. The first analysis we see here is based on all your trading accounts combined. So at the top here we have a pie chart showing your wins, your winning trades combined, and another one showing your losing trades combined. Now this is fairly busy because I've got a lot of test data in here, but you can see each of these slices in the pie is a different trading method or trade type, or trading strategy if you like. And you can scroll around and see what percentage of your total each of those slices makes up. So at a glance you can see which strategies are making you the most money, and over here which strategies are losing you the most money. There's more of a detail on those strategies. If we scroll down a little bit here, it shows each of the trade types that you've traded in this 6-month period in this case, the number of winning trades that you've had, number of losing trades, the average win per trade, and in this case we're talking about a percentage return. We could say pips or pip lots or dollars, but in this case we're talking about a 2.1% average winning return on that particular trade type. The average losing percentage, our average profit percentage for our buy trades or our long positions, and similarly our short positions or sells, the average length of time that our trades last for this particular trade type. And then we get into some other metrics which show us our best and worst figures, so the best and the worst time frames on our chart. So for this particular trade type, we do best on a 4-hour chart, we do worst on a 15-minute chart. We have similar breakdowns here by the day of week. So some of these, are good on Monday, worst on Tuesday, Wednesday. We also have it broken down by entry time, exit time, so when we exit the trade, what's the best time to exit the trade for this trade type, what's the worst time to exit. And finally, the currency pairs. What's the best currency pair for this particular trading strategy? What's the worst currency pair for this particular trading strategy? We're looking at all accounts here, as I mentioned. Scrolling down further, it then sort of breaks it down by each of your individual accounts. Exactly the same sort of detail. A winning pie chart, losing pie chart, and then the data table showing more detail. So that will go through all of the trading accounts that you maintain within Trade on Track. Now if you wanted to see more detail about what particular trades make up a trade type. So this one, for instance, is called a Mark 1 trading strategy. We had 6 wins in this 6-month period, 13 losses. On average we made just over 1%. Let's have a look at more detail of this. We can just click on that trade type and it will actually bring up the trading log, so it will show us all the trades that made up that particular figure that we were looking at on the dashboard. So we have some totals shown here and a list of all the trades that we made under that particular Mark 1 trade type. So we can see the currency pair that was traded, the chart period, exit time, whether it was a buy or sell, how many lots we traded, entry price, the initial risk, exit price. We can click on those to see what our self-assessment rating was. How many pips profit we made, how many pip lots profit, our percentage return on each trade, and if we took some screenshots during the trade, we can also display those. This is a pre-trade screenshot, so that was taken just as we entered the trade, and a post-trade screenshot as we exited the trade. And if there's notes taken, you can bring up the notes against any of these as well. One other thing I'd like to show you, there's some notes, is the publish feature of the new trade types dashboard. So we just go back to our trade types dashboard. I'll go to 6 months. If we scroll down to something meaningful, let's say we want to publish this particular dashboard to a separate web page that we can give anyone access to. All we do is click on this button here, which is a publish button, and within a couple of seconds it gives us a brand new page. Which has our dashboard on it in a read-only type mode. So we have our pie charts, we have our data table, and further down we have a link here that we can copy and paste into Twitter, Facebook, wherever you like. You can send it by email to your friends, to your partner, to your trading mentor if you want to show him how you're doing with particular trading styles, or if you've tried a trading strategy and it's not working for you, you might like to let the person know that provided that strategy that it's not working and you have the proof. So that's the trade types dashboard that is available right now in Trade on Track. Go to www.tradeontrack.com and register for free today. Thank you.